Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Disney Plus application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the last icon down below, which is your profile picture. Tap on it, then click on edit profiles, tap on your avatar picture, then scroll down, and in the middle of the screen you should see this button, app language, and now you can choose the relevant one. You just simply click on it and then tap the button done at the top of the screen in the upper right corner. So now the app's language has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.